Greetings from Heart Care Foundation of India. 24 into 7 actually, does it mean 24 into 7 in hospitals? 24 into 7 actually does not work in emergency services. Many studies now have established that heart patients suffering from cardiac arrest at night or on the weekends are less likely to survive than those who have a heart attack during weekdays or weekday evenings. The above findings are true even for paralysis treated on weekends and has shown that it is deadlier if you are treated on the weekends. The same is true in India. During most holidays and at night, efficient staff and doctors may not be available. In weekends, holidays, and especially Diwali, Holi, Christmas and New Year's, early morning you may find that patients have a bad prognosis. As per a study published in JAMA, hospitals simply don't work the same at night as they do during the day. The poor survival on nights and weekends is due to delay in getting critical procedures or a delay in diagnosing the cardiac arrest in the first place. At night, even a difference in seconds makes a significant impact. Up to 98,000 preventable in-hospital deaths occur every year in the United States. The rate of medical errors is even higher. The number will be much larger in India. The study analyzed survival rates of 86,748 adults and who suffered cardiac arrest events in one of 507 hospitals participating in AHA's National Registry for CPR. Survival was divided into hourly time segments, with the day or evening specified as 7 a.m. to 11 a.m., night as 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. and weekends as 11 p.m. Friday to 7 a.m. Monday. Overall survival was 15% for nights and weekends and 19.8% for weekdays.